Every conversation about AI starts with loss, jobs disappearing, roles becoming obsolete, careers collapsing overnight. But that framing misses the real transformation already underway, because while automation removes tasks loudly, the jobs AI creates emerge quietly, scattered across industries, undefined by titles, and invisible to anyone still looking for traditional career paths. Entire categories of work are forming right now that didn't exist a few years ago. Roles that reward adaptability over credentials and judgment over routine. The real risk isn't unemployment. It's being unprepared for opportunities that don't look like jobs yet. Welcome to AI Unlocked, the channel where we explore artificial intelligence, future tech, and the tools that are changing the world. Today, we're diving into what jobs will AI create? Every major technological shift reshapes labor before society notices. Jobs don't disappear cleanly. They fragment. Responsibilities detach from old roles and recombine into new ones. AI accelerates this process dramatically. Tasks once bundled into a single profession are split between machines and humans, leaving new forms of work focused on oversight, coordination, and judgment. Employment becomes fluid. Titles lag behind reality. The work exists before the job description does. AI systems don't operate alone. They require constant human involvement to guide, correct, evaluate, and align them with real-world goals. New roles emerge around supervision rather than execution. People manage model behavior, validate outputs, intervene when systems drift, and translate human intent into machine-readable instruction. This isn't programming in the traditional sense. It's operational intelligence, knowing when to trust the system and when to override it. AI runs on data, but data doesn't maintain itself. People clean it, label it, audit it, and challenge its assumptions. Entire forms of work now revolve around dataset stewardship, ensuring training material reflects reality rather than bias, error, or historical imbalance. These roles are rarely glamorous, but they're foundational. Without them, intelligent systems become confident mirrors of flawed input. Data work becomes ethical labor. Creative roles aren't disappearing, they're expanding outward. Writers, designers, filmmakers, musicians, and strategists increasingly work alongside generative systems that accelerate ideation while demanding stronger human direction. New jobs form around creative orchestration, shaping outputs, defining tone, injecting meaning, and rejecting what doesn't belong. The value shifts from production to intention. Creativity becomes less about making something from nothing and more about deciding what should exist at all. As AI absorbs routine execution, human value migrates toward judgment, synthesis, and context. Jobs increasingly reward those who can connect information across domains, interpret ambiguity, and make decisions machines can't fully justify. Learning speed becomes more important than static expertise. Adaptability becomes a career in itself. The future job market doesn't just reward knowledge, it rewards the ability to update that knowledge continuously. And this is where the narrative breaks, because the jobs AI creates won't appear evenly or fairly. Some people will step into them early. Others won't even realize they exist until they're already locked out. Stay with me. The next part reveals where these jobs concentrate and why access matters more than talent alone. As AI systems influence hiring, lending, healthcare, and justice, trust becomes infrastructure. New roles emerge around auditing algorithms, evaluating bias, and enforcing accountability. These workers don't build intelligence, they police it. Their job is to answer uncomfortable questions about fairness, transparency, and consequence. As automation spreads, trust work becomes one of the most critical human functions in the AI economy. AI allows individuals and small teams to operate at scale, once reserved for large organizations. One person can manage global clients, automate operations, and deliver complex services with minimal overhead. This creates new forms of work built around leverage rather than hierarchy. Micro-enterprises, solo operators, and distributed teams become viable at unprecedented levels. Geography matters less. Capability matters more. Most education systems are still training people for roles that are dissolving. Meanwhile, AI-driven jobs form faster than curricula can adapt. Many future careers will be learned outside traditional institutions through experimentation, self-directed learning, and direct interaction with tools. Credentials lose influence. Demonstrated capability gains it. The gap widens between those who wait to be trained and those who train themselves. AI doesn't just create jobs, it reshapes inequality. Those with access to tools, data, and learning pathways move forward quickly. Others face displacement without transition support. The divide isn't between employed and unemployed. It's between those who learn to collaborate with AI and those forced to compete against it. Opportunity expands, but unevenly. Over time, AI may change what society considers work. Fewer repetitive tasks, more creative, strategic, and interpersonal roles. New economic models, different measures of contribution. But this future isn't guaranteed. It requires policy, education reform, and intentional design. AI creates possibilities. Society decides who can reach them. AI isn't ending work. It's revealing which parts of work were always expendable, and which parts only humans can truly own. The future belongs to those who don't wait for job titles to catch up, but learn to move with intelligence as it reshapes the meaning of value itself. If you found this episode insightful, make sure to follow the channel, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cinematic explorations into the forces shaping our future. And in our next video, we move from jobs to creation itself, the future of AI-powered creativity. We'll explore how AI is changing art, music, filmmaking, and design, and why the next creative revolution won't be about replacing human imagination, but expanding what it can do.